Yo, what's up everybody? April 4th, 2024. Today's 314 days on the road. Today's also Grandma Rose's birthday. So happy birthday, Grandma Rose up in heaven. Right now we're standing outside Casa Bonita. Like I said, we're outside because we couldn't get a reservation to go inside. We signed up for their email listing about 3 months ago and we still couldn't get in. But anyways, we'll be back. Right, Jacob?
Casa Bonita! Bonita is a restaurant that is bought out by the owners of South Park. If you are inside and on a balcony, you can see Eric Cartman.
We weren't able to get Mexican food at Casa Bonita, but guess what? We're at the first Chipotle.
We just made it to our first Chipotle. They opened on July 13, 1993, and for some reason they closed it and they reopened on July 17, 2017.
Oh, and look, it's right next to a weed shop. Right here.
Guess who've been in America for so long and never been to Chipotle? Me. I got a heavy burrito bowl. Dun, 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 dun. I got the new one, al pastor. It has guacamole, chicken al pastor, black beans, rice, and some cheese. And red salsa. When you go there, you have to know already what you need to order because they're like fast paced, and then there's no menu on the top. You just have to know what you order because it's basic. You only need a steak burrito, burrito bowl. Damn, that is good. Oh my god, this is good. Oh, that's it. The camera already fell.
Alright.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, the kids didn't want Chipotle, but you know what else is from Colorado? Smash Burger. You're gonna get, oh look at, they got watermelon dragon fruit, unsweetened black tea, lemonade, and mandarin. Joshua, what do you get?
A bacon cheeseburger and some fries.
What do you get?
I got chicken legs with some fries. I got a cheeseburger with some fries and a soda.
Cool.
I want to suck your water. Cheers.
So this is, try this shrimp. How was the food?
Good.
Alright guys, finally, it's my turn to eat. Let's see what Rain got me. She got me, bam, look at that big old fat little thing. That right there, my friends, is a steak burrito for $10.50 and guacamole, $2.65 for guacamole. Let's see what it looks like. Look at all that ingredients packed in there. Oh, that's actually a lot of salsa. Let's see that. Ooh. That's good. That lady just passed by and she was laughing. She was watching me eat this burrito in the car. Having a go all the time. You know what? I don't care about her. She don't got no burrito. Alright guys. I know it's not much of a vlog today. We just ate a whole bunch of food. Tomorrow, we're going to start a diet. Maybe. I'll see you then. Peace.